Hi, my name is Amy Merritt, and this is my second SAFMEDS checkout. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and show you my workspace here. Just have my cards and my phone, which I will use as my timer. It is set for 1 minute. My big old stack of cards here doesn't have anything on the fronts or backs of them. Hopefully you can see it's not too blurry. I know last time I think my cards weren't close enough to the camera, so you had a hard time reading the back. So hopefully this time I can fix that. It's kind of hard to find a happy medium of holding them too close to the camera or too far away. So have to let me know if I do any better with that this time. But anyways, let me shuffle a few more times and then we can get this show on the road. Okay, so let me make sure my timer is still set for 1 minute. Pull a little stack off of the top and we can ready, start. The specific behavior selected for change is a target behavior. A target behavior is the response class selected for intervention. The variable that is systematically manipulated by the researcher is the independent. An FBA is used to identify the type and source of reinforcement for behaviors. If an intervention is created for biting, then biting is a target behavior. The descriptive variable is the variable measured. A line graph shows change over time and only shows days on which data was collected. The overall direction taken by a data path is a trend. A line graph should have a scale of 2 to 3 between the y-axis and x-axis. The more accurate data path has more points per unit of time. The term behavioral cusp is subjective and not universally agreed upon. Indirect FBAs can be structured interviews, checklists, rating scales, or questionnaires. Directions possible in a trend line are zero trend, increasing, and decreasing. Therapist reinforcing raving with Skittle is an example of a contrived contingency. Prior to starting an intervention, the therapist took baseline data. Reliable changes in the dependent variable can show functional control. Different behaviors are functionally equivalent if they produce the same consequences. There are 3 methods of FBA. Indirect, skip. Man. Alright. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow, for the first try. I don't know if it's going to get any better than that. 16 correct, 2 incorrect, or skips. Man, can we just go with that? Should I save myself the trouble of doing it 2 more times? I don't know. Might as well see how it goes. Like I said, my name is Amy Merritt, and this is my second SAFMEDS checkout. Have a good night. Thank you.